Okay, so I woke up this morning and I realized that it is only a few days until Valentine's Day. And because I'm new to photography, I thought it might be kind of a fun idea to go to the supply store and get some Valentine's Day supplies and make a sort of fun Valentine's Day diorama to take photos that I could post. So, yes, I'm new to photography. I'm probably not the best when it comes to arts and crafts. So this really could be a very interesting endeavor. And it may not work, but I'm still gonna try. I think that the arts and crafts store will have some amazing things and it will inspire me and give me some ideas. So here goes. Okay, so that proved to be a little more difficult than I wanted it to be. I won't lie, when it comes to like photography, I know how I want to set up shots, but when it comes to building a little diorama, I have no idea how to make anything look so cute. So, we're gonna go home and I'll show you all my loot and let's see what we can do with it. Okay, so, yeah. I'm sitting here in my living room at my coffee table and I have all of my things spread out and I think I did pretty good. I bought this sort of little burlap thing that says love on it. That it might be kind of fun to prop that up in the background and make it look nice. I have two different colored felt, pink and red, as sort of like the bottom. So that's like our base layer. I have this really cool little bucket with a heart on it. My idea is to take some of this sort of like fake red and white pink grass and push it in there, and then I want to put this little guy on it, kind of like a little bed. So that's kind of cute. Then I have some tissue paper, I think, just to sort of drape around things, as well as some fun little felt hearts to kind of put on the ground everywhere, as well as some beads. I don't know why I got beads, but these are some red beads. I think they look kind of amazing. So then I found this little guy. It says love on it, which I thought was kind of cute to match the other side. And then it's got this little spring on top. And then there I'm gonna take some of these little felt hearts and make a little bouquet, a heart bouquet. That's my thinking. There's all kind of colors, but we'll see what I come up with. And then I got some string lights that I used at Christmas. So hopefully we can put those around there. I also got this cute little plant. I don't know if it'll even work because it's green and it's not the best, but I thought maybe having a little bit of green in there might make things cool and a little bit of foliage. And then I found these things. They're little vials with skeleton keys, and I thought, key to my heart might be kind of clever. So, yeah, we'll see if that turns out. So, all right, you guys. In my endeavor to stay creative in 2021, I'm gonna put together my first diorama and take photos of it. Here goes. This is also my little diorama case I got for Christmas, and I'm putting it on a little table. It's not in the best shape, but I think it's great, and I think it's gonna work for what I wanna do. So, fingers crossed. So, my little box proved to be too small. So I have moved crafts into the kitchen. So we're gonna use the kitchen table to have a bigger place to set up, and then I have a black background that I can use to help control the lighting. So I haven't even started yet, and this is already a fun endeavor. So here we go. So I found this. I was holding a candle here in my house, and I'm going to use it as a riser for this fun project. Okay, so to use that riser, I switched sides, so I thought that worked better there, and he's great there, and a little love thing right there. So yeah, I think it's coming along really nice. Okay, so we added different colored hearts here. The red going on the pink going on the red, and then the white going in the middle. Kind of make it center. And then we add a little plant just for some greenery. So here's my little heart bouquet. I think it's coming along really nicely. Okay, so I have a black background, and I was trying to find a way to get around it. So I have tissue paper in 2 different colors that are the same colors as the felt that I got, and I think I'm just gonna sort of wrap it around the thing, so that way I have the same color scheme going on. So I think that'll work. So let's see how that looks. Okay, so here's my final working. I got some lights on. I have my key there for the key to my heart. I got some lights. I like how it's reflecting right here on the heart. Let's take several different shots to make sure I get everything. But I think this is a good start for my first DIY project in 2021. Yep. Okay. So I was shooting everything on the 85. Now I'm switching to the 50 because I want to be able to get these roses up here. So we'll see what the 50 gives us. So as we're starting to go, my roommate Vivian, hi Vivian, she's helping me tape this one little corner over here that we were unhappy with. Other than that, I think it's turning out really, really good. So that was a fun project. I started taking pictures. I took a couple of wides and then I kind of moved in and I would move things around and try to create little themes. So, you know, it wasn't the best, probably my first time doing this. I don't think it was too bad. I want to thank Vivian for helping me. She was in the kitchen with me and started helping me decorate. And so did my friend Ramond, who was like, you need help. So I want to thank them. But yeah, it was a fun project, a good way to stay safe and stay inside and stay creative. Here's how the photos turned out. Happy Valentine's Day from Pics by Michael.